Welcome to this exciting video. Today, I'm going to walk you through an incredible website that allows you to transform AI-generated images into high-quality videos, with multiple tries and completely for free. Not only will I show you how to use it step by step, but I'll also reveal how to register on the platform without paying anything. So let's get started. The website is called app.pixverse AI, and trust me, it's amazing. First, we'll need to register. You'll start by creating your username here. Next, head over to this site I'll show you, where you'll find limited-use email addresses. Just click Copy, then come back and paste that email in the registration field. Now for the password. Make sure it's strong and a little complex. Confirm it by typing the same password again. Once that's done, you'll need to wait for a verification code to appear. When it shows up, click on it. Wait until you see a check mark, then hit Continue. And just like that, you'll have your own account set up. Next, we're heading to Leonardo.ai to create the image we want to animate. Once we've got our image, we'll return to Pixverse to turn it into a video. Back to Leonardo.ai. Sign up if you haven't yet, then continue. Now go back and wait for your activation code to appear. Got it? Great. Paste it in the site, hit Continue, and now your account is ready. Now let's quickly go over how Pixverse works. You'll be given credits. Each video attempt costs about 30 credits, and you start with 3 free tries. Here, you'll enter your prompt, and this icon lets you upload your image that you want to turn into a video. Now we go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a creative prompt. For example, I asked for a cute cat dressed like a chef. Take that prompt and paste it into Leonardo.ai. Here's what you'll do next. Select Custom, Mobile, choose Phoenix 1.0 as the model, set it to generate 4 images. Click Generate, boom! Leonardo gave us 4 amazing images. Download the one you like most. Head back to Pixverse, paste your prompt, upload your image, and you're ready to roll. Once again, click here to upload your image. Use the same prompt you used in Leonardo. Wait until the progress bar reaches 100%, then hit Generate. And finally, you'll have your own stunning video. Now, if you run out of credits, here's a pro tip. Click Log Out, sign up again using a new email from that temporary email site. Repeat the same process. This way, you'll get unlimited tries, totally free. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Now click Create and wait just a couple of minutes. Unlike other platforms like HeyGen or Kyber, this one is much faster. Let's play the video. Look at the smooth movement and incredible quality. You can even upscale the video, add sound, lip sync, and more, all right inside the platform. And that's it. Everything you need to know about this powerful tool. I've dropped the link to the site below in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.